Hello students. Now we will see the functions of management process. Process is you can say combination of various activities. Okay, and the management process is classified according to different authors. And if you can see, then main functions are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, coordinating. Okay, so if we go through the one, so planning means a basic selection of the facts for the expected results. We have to make an outline or a framework of certain works which we are going to do. Organizing is giving more specification to the planning. That organization is a structure of assignment of authority and responsibility. Staffing, so staffing is a concern about getting and maintaining the satisfactory manpower. So when and how, so which we employees we have to recruit at particular position at right time, right number, and with the right qualification. We have to do the training, transfer, promotion, dismissal, retirement, and welfare activity of the employees. The as human is the center of all activity, so here staffing means recruitment, selection, training. Okay, these all things are included in staffing. Directing, so directing is means supervising and guiding the employees in achieving the pre-decided standards so that they can achieve the goals very easily. Controlling is the function which maintain a harmony between the activities, and it assures that the work is going as per the directions or not, and if there is any deviations, so it controls them. So we will see the coordination. So coordination is very important for all the activities. So coordination, to bring coordination and harmony among different functions, different departments in business unit, it is called coordination. So that it makes your work smooth going on. For an example, purchase department, production department, finance department. If finance department provide finance at proper time, purchase department will purchase raw material on time and it's applied to the production department, then the manufacturing will be smoothly working. If anyone is delaying, then it cannot be possible that our organization runs smoothly. Okay, now we will see the functional areas of management. So marketing management, human resource management, there are different. So marketing management is related to sales, promotions, and deciding the demands of any particular goods. You can see the functions of marketing management, that is product mix, which look out to the appearance, colors, size, weight, packaging, guarantee of work, after sale service. These all things are done by the marketing. Price mix, deciding the price because customer wants a best quality at a particular, you can say, reasonable rate. So deciding the sales policy, credit policy, discount, wholesale, retailing, these all things decided in marketing. Distribution, wholesaler to retailer, retailer to agents, and so on. So thus distribution channel is also decided over here. And promotion is a necessity to attract the customer about your for your customer, so that you can get maximum profit. So advertisement, publicity, direct selling. Okay, these are the content of marketing management. Next is human resource management. So human is the center of all activity. So here intelligence, knowledge, like, dislike, personal development, training, development, recruitment, selection, all things comes in human resource management. They are having their own functions, characteristics. Okay, so it helps in achieving goals. So we have to make sure that employees in our organization will get boost up and they do efficiently their work, so that our organization can get best utilize their resources. Next is financial management. So financial management is necessity for each and everything, because all about money. When money is there, then we can do anything. So financial management deals with the financial functions. Okay, so it helps in establishing our needs, organizing, preparing budgets, where we allocate our funds, how we can from where we can procure the finance, how we can control the activities so that we can minimize our cost of producing something. So finance is all about money, from where to procure, where to allocate, and how to utilize in a best way so that we can get a maximum benefit. Okay, next is production management. So production is a converting raw material into the finished goods. Okay, and that should be that product should be capable to satisfy the customer needs. The functions of production management is to decide the production plan, taking research about and to select the product development, technology, machineries, production control, quality control. So major decisions are taken over here related to product and manufacturing.